How to customize your FL Studio, completely beginner's guide. If you want to make your interface more interesting, let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Guys, we are in FL Studio now, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually customize your entire FL Studio. Alright, change some colors, make things interesting. Alright, but I will recommend the producer edition for you. If you want to go and buy this one, it's gonna help you. So first thing first, if you install your FL Studio, you're gonna see the default interface to be like this, and this is the background. All right, so very first thing we're gonna do is to change the background. To change our background, just go to view panel, then go to background, then go to set image wallpaper. All right, now you can actually browse through the default images from FL Studio, but you can actually set up your own image. All right, so let's choose one. The normal size for this background is 1920 by 1080 pixels. All right, so you can actually click on any image and it will change your background for you. All right, this is super simple. All right, so let's change the background again, and I'm going to choose my background, and I'm going to choose my production image, which is Speezy Beat, and you can see this is way bigger than the normal FL Studio background size. So what we're going to do is to create it to fit this background. So all you need to do is to open Photoshop. All right, then go and pick that particular image, put it here. All right, so guys, hit Ctrl+T, then drag it like this. All right, to fill the entire section. Then let's hit save. All right, then we're gonna export this. Super simple. Go to export. You can use any image, then you can save it in PNG format or JPEG. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna save it JPEG, then export, then choose the location. All right, save it. Now let's go to FL. We're not going to save this one. Go to FL, go to view again, background, set image wallpaper, and now you can see this is okay. All right, so now Speezy Beat. This is how you can change your background. Now how can you actually change the theme of the entire FL Studio? Just click on options, then go to theme settings. Then guys, you can actually play with any of the themes here. Look at this. All right, and this is going to change the entire playlist, channel rack, anything that you choose. All right, look at this. So you can browse through and choose the one that you want. There are a lot of things that you can do here. All right, so let's say you choose this one. You can actually play with the hue, saturation, all right, the brightness, and even make it more interesting to suit whatever that you want. All right guys, this is super simple. Play with the contrast. This is crazy guys. Then you can even browse through more of the colors, accept. All right, so if you are cool with this, all you have to do is to hit include that. So this is a new theme. Now let's go to the piano roll, and I'm going to show you more things. Right click. All right, so anytime you draw a note, it's gonna come with the color. This super simple guys, so more interesting. All right, so you can actually make FL Studio to suit what you want. Then also let's go to the mixer track, And guys, I'm gonna make a simple beat. Let me delete this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's create a simple beat. And for this one, 2 steps. Alright, fill the bars like that. Fill the bars. Let's go to the hi-hats. Fill the bars. Now guys, this is super simple. Let's go to the piano roll option. What we're gonna do is to route this to the mixer track. Go to the mixer track. Then we're gonna route them from here. Now listen. If you don't like the size of this mixer track, all you have to do is to click here and you can change it to compact or any style that you want. All right, now let's look at the waves here. Now you can see the wave. If you don't like this, all you have to do is to click on view waveforms and you're going to change to this. All right, this is super simple. Or like this. Then guys, let's go to the playlist. Let's take for instance, you have arranged your patterns and you don't like the color. What you can actually do is to right click on that and go to rename. You can give it a name, then you can click here and select the color, accept. All right, super simple. I'm going to create another pattern like this. Then you can still go here, rename. You can give it a name, snare or snares, then choose the color, right click here, then guys, like that. All right, so you can actually customize your FL Studio to suit what you like. And guys, you can actually change. Let's take for instance, you wanna change the 808 cakes to an icon. You can just right click and go to change icon. All right, then you can browse through any of these. So if we are looking for cakes, I can go for this. All right, and you can actually see that it has changed. Let's do that for the clap. You can browse through any of these. All right, what am I even gonna take? I'm gonna take this one. Then you do the same thing here. Hi-hat. Think of any image that you want from here. All right, so you can actually customize whatever that you want. All right, super simple. Then the last thing I'm gonna show you, let me open a beat. After arranging your beat and maybe you want to change the background of this, all you have to do is to get an image which is in a PNG form. All right, PNG format. All right, so let me go and open a PNG image. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use one of my thumbnails. All right, so you make sure the image is PNG. All right, so you're going to use this one. All you need to do is to drag and go and just put it here, boom, and it's going to change the background for you. All right, super simple. So now you can see our playlist has changed. All right, this is super simple, guys. Turn it to suit whatever that you like. There's a lot of things that I can teach you, but for now this is what I'm going to show you. All right, super simple. You can do more things here, change the colors. All right, do the same thing here, change the color. All right, so if this video helps you, give it a like. The name is Godside. Let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, do more music, come back for more. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.